always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually bringing you guys an unboxing with a couple pairs of footwear and some stuff that I did manage to get from the Supreme website. Shout out to my girl, which actually was able to cook up for me. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, do not forget to look at the sub count. We're literally almost there, bro. 18,000 is this close. Let's go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. It means the world when you guys go ahead and do so. And hey, once we get to 20,000, I'm gonna have a big ass giveaway with either a pair of Jordans or a Supreme box logo. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I'm gonna just pick packages off the top. Right here in this first one, we do have, I think, a Supreme package. Pop this open, take the little plastic out, and take this out. We actually do have some stickers as well, so I'll show you guys that first. We do have the Dunk sticker. We got the Tip sticker. He over here taking a leak. We also do have the Ape sticker as well. And then we got two regular box logos. Pretty solid for one package. And in that one, we did have this fitted, which was actually fire in my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but I really do like some of the fitteds that Supreme has been dropping lately. On this one, you do have like a skull on it. I did decide to go with the black colorway. 7.5 is my size. Obviously, when you get fitteds, you want to take all this shit off because it will leave like a little stain on it or whatever, but this is a 7.5. The skull one, New Era on the sides, Supreme box logo on the back, New Era on the side. Then you do have that skull logo dead in center on the front. I love black fitteds, and if y'all have noticed, I've been wearing my LA fitted way too much, so I try to switch it up by getting this hat right here. This hat is hard. I love the gray under brim. It's just simple and subtle. It almost looks like a ski mask on the front of it. Definitely a vibe. Fire fitted. If y'all want me to make a how to curve your brim video, go ahead and let me know in the chat and I will get that out for y'all. I'm glad I've been getting more and more into fitteds because when I was younger, this is what I used to rock. So I'm glad. So I'm happy that low-key they're coming back. That was the first pickup. Second up, we have this package right here, which is, if y'all can see in the box, a pair of Jordans. And if y'all have seen this box already, you already know what it is. Take these out for y'all. Right there, you have the Jumpman logo. This is like the woodland looking ass box. If y'all know, you know type shit. These are the Jordan 5 Toro Bravos, or the Raging Bulls as I would like to call it. Finally! I do have a review that I filmed for these, but I was waiting to post this first so I can post that. These are alright. At first when I saw them, they didn't really look that nice to me, but the more I look at them, the more I do end up liking them. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is a Jordan that I remember dropping back in the day, and honestly, when I saw them come out the box like this, I wasn't too enthused. I feel like this pair of Jordans with black laces, it would definitely look so much better. Honestly, these with black laces will look so much better. As you can see, even loose lace, they look better. It's just tight like this that the front looks big as fuck, but once you loosen them a little bit, so much better. This is a pair that released in 2009 and people love these sneakers, including myself. When they released the first time, it was in the Raging Bull DMP pack if I'm not mistaken, and they released with the 3M pair, and then this pair. This is the only pair that people really talk about when it comes to Raging Bull, so I'm excited that they actually came back out with these. Honestly, when they released the DMP 6s, I had the inkling that these were gonna release, and I'm so glad they did. I actually managed to hit on these on sneakers, bro. Yes, sneakers app came through with the Raging Bulls. I know it's not the most hyped release, but at the end of the day, it is a solid pickup in my opinion. Really happy I was able to get them, but I don't even know if I'm gonna keep them. I don't really have any all red sneakers. That's the only reason I might keep them, and they're Raging Bulls, bro. Once I put the black laces, I'm debating on putting the off-white 5 laces on these, the black ones. I feel like that would be cool. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good lace swap. All they really switched on these was the netting on the side. They made it like a bluish tone to preserve it a little bit more, so these will last longer than the other ones as far as the actual icing on the sole goes, and on the side right here, pretty fire in my opinion. Let me know what y'all thought about the Raging Bull Jordan 5s. One of my favorite 5s, and I'm really glad I was actually able to get these. I love these and the Tokyos, so hey, I might go ahead and just keep these. I'm not gonna lie, but I did take an L on the Amaminiers today, and if these have to get get traded for those, we gonna have to see, bro, low key. But second up, we had the Raging Bull Jordan 5. We got 2 packages left, one of them being in this Supreme bag right here. I know, rip to the Supreme bags. We don't really get these anymore unless you go in store. In this package, we have 2 pieces, and I believe we have some stickers as well, so I want to show y'all those first. We got a regular Supreme box logo. We got the Apes sticker as well, another Supreme Dunk sticker, and then we did get the Anna Nicole sticker. Thank God. I really do love this piece. I'm sick I didn't get the tee, but at least we do have the sticker for the sticker collection. Let me know what y'all thought about that tee as well. Fire in my opinion. Kind of a bummer that I couldn't get it, but it is what it is. First piece we got is this Toy Pile tee, if I'm not mistaken. I think this one might stay in the personal. It is a size XL, and low-key your boy has been slimming down, so eventually we are gonna go down to a large, and that might be the size I start buying from now on. This isn't an XL, and it is what it is. This Supreme Toy Pile tee is actually hard in my opinion. When you wear it, it's gonna have the S right here, and then the après, and then the E right here. I think that is pretty fire. But if y'all can see on this tee, there's literally a bunch of toys making up the word Supreme, which I think is so sick. Like, there's a bunch of different animals, a bunch of different toys, and I just feel like it's fire. It's one of those tees that they drop that people just sleep on, and I feel like it's a fire piece. Like, after the Anna Nicole tee, honestly, this is my second bet. This isn't the ash gray color, which honestly looks way better in person than I thought it would. You got that S right there, U prem, and then the E on the sleeve right here. Definitely a clean tee. Nothing on the back, nothing on the back of this one as well. This is a size XL, and honestly, I used to have to stretch these bitches to even fit it. I feel like life is just a blessing, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. But right here we got the U prem, fire piece in my opinion. We got one more Supreme piece to go over, and then we'll talk about this last pickup. So I'm not gonna lie, this one right here is a banger. I'm super happy my girl was able to cook up on this for me. I love this, bro. If y'all know, Supreme did a collaboration with Yankees, and they had like the same style logo on one of the pieces. I'm not gonna lie, bro, this is what I need right here. This hoodie is beautiful. My first navy hoodie as well, so definitely feeling it. I got a purple hoodie this season and a navy one. It's literally perfect. I like the fact that when it comes to spring seasons, I don't know if you guys know, but they do make the hoodie slightly thinner, which I am a fan of, and this feels like one of the thinner hoodies that they do. It's not as tough or as like thick. You got that Supreme embroidery straight on the front, like in this arc logo style, almost in like a bubble letter font in my opinion. I do like the way that they're doing their new stitching. It looks really clean, and I don't know why, but this right here just reminds me of like vintage Supreme. Maybe I'm tripping. Let me know in the chat down below what y'all felt about this drop. I know that there's a banger hoodie releasing tomorrow. Obviously this video is gonna drop after that, but there's a banger hoodie releasing that I'm still debating on buying, to be honest. This is beautiful though. I'm glad I was able to get this in the navy colorway. It's perfect because I don't have any navy hoodie, and this is the best one to have. Like, low-key, I would wear this all the time, just like my old English hoodie that I have. Low-key, I had to put that one to rest before it starts getting messed up. Beautiful hoodie in my opinion. Let me know what y'all thought about this one. Did you actually manage to get it? Were you even trying to go for this piece? I feel like it's a vibe. Low-key, one of my favorites that dropped this season for sure. So right here we got my last package. This one actually got here today, and I ordered it maybe like 2 days ago, which is crazy. And as you can see right here, we did manage to hit on the slides for retail. I was not gonna pay $200 for these, but if I could get the dinosaur stompers for retail, I definitely was gonna try it, and that's exactly what happened. So I managed to get these right here, the Yeezy slides in a size 10. Slide this out and they're in the thing. Here you can see I did get the resin colorway, I think is what it's called. I'm gonna go ahead and take both of them out and then we'll talk about it. So right here we have the resin Yeezy slides. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I did try these on and they run a little bit small, I'm not gonna lie, but I am probably gonna do a full review on these simply because I feel like a lot of people are gonna start buying these, especially since they restock. The price is gonna start going down a little bit. They're currently going for like $170-ish on StockX, and retail was about $70 if I'm not mistaken. I feel like these are the perfect slides for summer. Honestly, when I first looked at these, like, bro, what the hell are those? But now that I see them in person and the way that they feel on feet, they go hard. They just run a little bit small. So personally, I definitely should have went with an 11. I'm like a 10 and a half, and with these I would go up to 11. They still do fit, like if you have a narrow foot. I don't know, you kind of want that little wiggle room, because I do wear socks, and I feel like with these I'll probably have to wear like some thin socks in order to make it work, because they would not fit with thick socks. Another thing that I wonder is, the more that you wear these, will they break in and then like sink your foot in a little more to give you more space? I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you do have these slides. At first I didn't really want this colorway. I wanted like the brownish color or the whiter color. Now that I see them in person, these are probably my favorites. They look more green on there than they actually do in person. That's kind of more accurate right there. It's like a greenish, tannish color, I guess. These slides are definitely hard though. If you really love them, you could pay resale, but personally, I just wanted to get them for retail if I was gonna get them at all. Now I have these, I have my FTPs, and I have some Gucci slides. I'm good, bro. On the slide game, I'm completely good. At the end of the day, these are fire though. The animal stompers right here. You got the crocodile lip on the bottom right there. These are clean, and hey, that was the last pickup. Let me know what y'all thought about this video down below. If you did enjoy this one, man, let me know by leaving a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget, man, look at the sub count. We're like 40, 50 away at this point. Hey, I highly appreciate y'all, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna keep talking about it every single video, but just thank you, and know that you coming back and showing love is what keeps me going. Matter of fact, we already here, so boom, post notification shout out goes out to the homies right here. Thank you so much for coming through and commenting on the videos. It means the world to me, honestly. I can't even express my gratitude enough. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I hope you have a blessed day. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel,